Hi everybody, thank you for watching. This is another educational installment here at the Computer Warriors community page. My name is Austin. I'm the cell phone and tablet technician here in Jacksonville, North Carolina. I just wanted to take a brief moment to show you a nice workaround if any of your physical buttons on your iPhone happen to stop working. There is a feature located in your accessibility settings called Assistive Touch, and what this does is it puts a nice little bubble that you can move to any side of the screen, allow you to lock your phone, change your volume settings, even use it as a home button feature if your home button happens to go out. So I'm going to take a brief second to show you how to access that setting. Here on my iPhone, we're going to go ahead and unlock. Under General Settings and Accessibility, you can scroll down to the Assistive Touch. As you can see, I already have it on here, and I have this nice bubble that I can move to any side, anywhere that's nice and convenient for me. By clicking this, I can now go home. I can control volume. I can even mute my phone or lock my screen. This is a nice little feature, assistive in having you, if a home button happens to go out or anything like that. So wanted to take a moment to just kind of show this to you and give you another workaround if you had any issues with those physical buttons. Thank you for watching.